What's up guys, today we have Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro rear camera and back glass replacement. Customer has brought the cameras and we got the back glass. He had the cameras online. We need to open the device, we need to heat the back glass with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need to remove the back glass. While the back glass is broken, so we don't need to take care of, so we can increase the heat for 2-3 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as we need, and we can just remove it without any cautions, but be careful with your hands and your eyes. I recommend you to wear goggles to protect your eyes. Be careful not to put the plastic piece or cards too much in the middle. We just need to swipe the edges of the phone. We may have ended with flex cable broken. You always just need to go all over the edges and that's it. If you need some heat, you can heat again. Alright, glass off. You can remove the black adhesive because we are going to put a new back glass adhesive. Now we are going to remove all the screws. You can remove the plastic shield. Remove camera plastic shield. It's connected with a flex cable. First, I'm going to remove the battery connector and then I will continue removing other flex cables. This flex cable is like sub to the main board. We have a mini board. It's connected to the main board. Remove both cameras nearby. The other 3 cameras is connected from the behind. So we have to remove the main board in order to put the new cameras. Remove other flex cable. This one is like sensor for something, maybe for heating, for heat. This one should be for the screen. The main board is stuck, so seems there is a screw somewhere. Remove the shield to the near front camera. Also, I'm going to remove the loudspeaker. It may prevent the main board to be removed. The main board still stuck, so there must be a screw somewhere. Let's keep looking all over the board. Always and always don't make some force, otherwise you could break the main board. Keep looking and be gentle with it. Alright, we have one screw in this corner, in the top corner. Now we can remove it, and the board should be removed easily now. You see, the main board is off now. We have antenna. I'm going to remove it, and then I will remove the main board. Remove the shields to unplug the camera connectors. I barely can remove the connectors. This is so tight, I can't even put my fingernail inside. Replacing the cameras is very easy. You just need to put the new one in position and then assemble the phone, and that's it. We have this is a protection to protect the camera from the shipping and protect it from any dust, etc. When you are done, you can remove the rubber. Plug all the connectors in position, and then you are going to make the camera straight to the main board, and that's it. After that, we are going to put the shields like they was. Alright, now we are done. Now we are going to assemble the phone back, put everything back as it was, and that's it. Now we are ready to remove the shields from the cameras. I just wanted to make sure the cameras are working without any problem. The other cameras was never focusing, and that was the issue for replacing. With the new camera we have focus. Alright, the problem has been solved. Continue assembling, and that's it. I may be busy in the next month because we have Christmas and a New Year. I wish a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for all. This was for today. If you have any other questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.